Today's lesson is on something called density. And the density for every object or every substance is always the same. And density is represented by the letter D. Density equals the mass divided by the volume. Now, we don't want to have to write out this every time, so we abbreviate this using letters or variables. D, density, equals M, lowercase, which is mass, divided by V, uppercase, which is volume. So, given any problem, they'll give you two of the variables or two of the letters, and you'll have to solve for one. Now, what we have to keep in mind also is the units. Mass is supposed to be in grams. Volume is supposed to be in liters. This is abbreviated G. This is abbreviated L. Density is going to be in grams per liter. So, if these units aren't right, if this one perhaps is in milliliters or this one is in milligrams, we're going to have to convert, and we'll talk about converting in class. But for now, let's just deal with the actual process of solving for one of these variables. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to solve for didn't mean to do that. Hang on. Okay. Solve for density. So, an example problem would be, what is the density of an object with a mass of 20 grams and a volume of 2 liters. Alright, we know the formula is density equals mass over volume. We have the mass, we have the volume. Mass is in grams like it's supposed to be. Volume is in liters like it's supposed to be. So we don't have to convert anything. All we have to do is plug in the numbers we know. We don't know D. We know that M is 20. And we know that L is 2. So to find D, all we have to do is take 20, and this means this line right here means divided by. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. But we can't just leave it at 10. We have to do 10 grams per liter because we have to put units on all of our answers. Alright, so that's the easiest kind. But sometimes you're going to have to solve for mass or volume. So let's do the second easiest kind where you have to solve for volume. I'm sorry, where you have to solve for mass. So, example. What is the mass of an object with a density of 3 grams per liter and a volume of 9 liters. Alright, again, we write the formula. That was not right up here. It's supposed to be density is mass over volume. We write out the formula, density equals mass over volume, and then we plug in what we know. We know